Imagine stepping into the future of outdoor living, where your dream deck transforms your backyard into a true sanctuary. Challenge yourself to create your ultimate dream deck for 25. Let's see if you can build the most beautiful and fun deck ever. Creating a dream deck is all about transforming your outdoor space into an area where memories are made. Imagine stepping out into your backyard and being greeted by a beautifully designed deck, perfect for relaxation, entertainment, or just enjoying a quiet morning coffee. A well-designed deck can significantly enhance your outdoor living experience, making it a vital part of your home. Designing your perfect deck can be a daunting task. One of the biggest challenges homeowners face is budget constraints. You want that luxurious look, but it's hard to achieve on a tight budget. Space limitations are another common issue. Maybe your yard is small, or perhaps there are oddly shaped areas that are difficult to work with. Then there are the permitting and code requirements to consider, which can vary greatly depending on where you live. Understanding these challenges is crucial. For instance, knowing that budget-friendly materials like composite decking or pressure-treated wood can offer a great look without breaking the bank can help you make informed decisions. Similarly, clever design tricks, like using vertical space with planters or multi-level decks, can maximize your area. And when it comes to permits, doing your research ahead of time can save you a lot of headaches. Let's not forget about sustainability and maintenance. More and more homeowners are looking for eco-friendly options and low-maintenance materials. This could mean choosing recycled materials, sustainably sourced wood, or even solar-powered lighting for your deck. Thinking about these aspects early on can make your deck not only beautiful, but also environmentally friendly and easy to care for. Exploring various deck styles, materials, and features is where the fun begins. From modern minimalist designs to more traditional, cozy setups, the possibilities are endless. You could opt for a composite deck for its durability, a wooden deck for its natural beauty, or even a mix of materials for a unique look. Features like built-in seating, fire pits, or outdoor kitchens can take your deck from ordinary to extraordinary. Incorporating technology into your deck design can also elevate your outdoor living experience. Consider integrating smart lighting systems that adjust based on the time of day, or add a sound system for those summer parties. For a more immersive experience, features like outdoor heaters or a pergola with a retractable canopy can extend the usability of your deck into the cooler months. Looking ahead to 2025, some innovative deck design ideas are set to trend. One of these is the use of sustainable, recycled plastic lumber, which offers a durable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional materials. Another trend is the integration of living roofs or green decks, which not only provide insulation, but also create a habitat for local wildlife. Technology is also playing a bigger role in deck design. Smart decks with integrated charging stations and wireless lighting systems are becoming more popular, offering convenience and efficiency. And for those looking to create a more dynamic outdoor space, modular deck systems that can be easily rearranged or expanded are gaining traction. Building your dream deck is all about planning and creativity. It's about understanding the challenges and turning them into opportunities. Whether you're working with a small budget or a limited space, there are always ways to achieve your vision. By considering the latest trends, materials, and technologies, you can create a deck that's not only beautiful, but also functional and sustainable. If you've been inspired to create your own dream deck, we'd love to hear about it. Share your ideas in the comments below. Are you going for a modern, sleek look or a cozy, rustic feel? Don't forget to check out our other home improvement videos for more inspiration and practical tips to bring your outdoor living space to life.